All right, got a PSA unboxing today. Been waiting lots of months for these. Let's see if I can. Which way is it going to be? This way. Let me do this. Like that. All right. Shout out KK Sports Cards on Instagram. Looks like we had 21 slabs come back. Let's see if I can use this. Should work. So we'll start with the first one. It'll be a Michael Porter Jr. Alright, and we got a 10 Chronicles Michael Porter Jr. Nice card there. Up next we have a Zion. This was a 9 debut out of Mosaic. Coming up after that, Kobe White. It's going to be a 10 nice orange reactive debut out of Mosaic as well. Very clean. Another Kobe White coming up. Looks like another Mosaic. It's going to be Mosaic base, and that'll be a 9. Let's separate these out into 9s and 10s. So we're 2 9s, 2 10s so far. Looks like we have a Ja Morant Hoops. This will be a 10. Nice one there. Another Ja Morant Hoops. It's going to be another 10. So we're 2 for 2 on those so far. And another one. Going to be a 9 on that one, so we went 2 for 3. Not bad, not bad. Another Michael Porter Jr. might be a Prism here. Oh, this is Select. You got Concourse down here. So Select going to be a 9. Tough grade on that one. And then this one, somewhat big here. We've got Darren Fox, 64 of 299. That'll be a 9 on the Select Blue. So kind of disappointing on that one, but can't complain with a 9. We have Bam out of Bio, going to be a rated rookie. A 9 on the red and yellow out of Optic. And we have a Michael Porter Jr. rated rookie out of Optic. That'll be a 9 as well. Right, Markelle Fultz. Rated rookie Optic. That's going to be a 10 for the red yellow. Would have rather had the Michael Porter Jr. be a 10, but oh well. And then we have a Malik Monk. This one's going to be numbered 10 of 193. And that will be a 9 on the Fast Break Orange. See if it'll focus. There it goes. So another 9 there. We got Alonzo. Rated rookie will be an 8.5. Interesting. No, I haven't had a half grade yet. At least from PSA, so 8.5 on Alonzo. Shock. Guess we'll have to start a new pile for below 9s. Then we have a Troy Brown Jr. Pink Cracked Ice. And that will be a 9. And then we got a bigger one here. We got Ja Morant. Should be Prism. And that'll be a 10. That's a big one there. Happy to get a 10 on that one. Very nice. And we have the same exact card coming up here. Another Ja. Let it focus. It'll be another 10, so we went 2 for 2 on the prisms. Actually bought these raw off of Twitter, sent them in, so pretty happy with that. And this, Colin Sexton. This should be an auto, I believe. A mosaic auto out of Prism. So I'll let it focus. And that will be a 10. That is a sweet card there. Colin Sexton, rookie auto, mosaic autograph. PSA 10. We have to check the pop on this one. I'm assuming it's not too high. So very happy with that one. And I believe, yeah, we have 3 Michael Porter Jr. prisms to end. So we've got a 9. And the second one, prism as well, gonna be a 9. And the last one is in a team bag for some reason. It's gonna be a 10. So not bad, not bad. Let's count them up. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We went 9 for 21 on Gem Mint 10 rate. So that means we had 11 here. 11 on the 9s, and the one 8.5. Appreciate you guys checking out the mail day. Pretty nice, pretty happy to get all these back. So we will see you soon. Thank you.